What's going on, Sam? Really? Really? Is that what's going on? Have you told Mr. Elephant about it? No? Well, you got him by the leg. Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah, you tell him. What else? Really? Yeah. Oh, well, that sounds like it was a nice adventure. What are you gonna do next? Hmm? Really? Are you gonna play with these birds and stuff up here? Here, I'm gonna take Mr. Toucan down. Let's dance Mr. Toucan over to you. Toucan, toucan, toucan. Toucan, toucan, toucan. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. We can give you a kiss. Oh, look at. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. Oh, you like your little animals, don't you? You like the little animals. Where's Mr. Monkey? Oh, you want Mr. Monkey too? Here's Mr. Monkey. Oh, how about this guy? We'll make him go to the camera first. Boop, boop, boop. Mr. Monkey. Boop, 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 boop. Oh. Oh, Mr. Monkey. Oh, you got a little hair on your face there. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Mr. Monkey. Boom, 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 boom. Hi. Hi. Are you singing now? Do you want another song? What song do you want? What song do you think you want now? Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you again. What a sneeze. What a big sneeze. Look at that. Your hiccups are gone. Yeah. Oh, isn't that nice to have no hiccups? Oh, I just heard them. Oh, oh.